Hello and Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. This is Zeeshan. I am a tutor of AA Audit Assurance FA paper. While this is the orientation session of Audit and Assurance, and this is my WhatsApp number, which is +923021777706. Accountancy.com is my website. Okay. Um, so if you want to be added in accountancy free WhatsApp groups, you can text me and with your name, and I will add you in the group. Okay. So as I said, my name is Zeeshan Hasan. I have a 16 years of teaching experience. I have working experience in Big Four audit firm and multinational manufacturing organizations. Okay, I am the first ever blog writer for or ACCA from Pakistan. Overall, 11 nationwide positions. My students got so far in audit assurance paper. Well, this is my brief introduction. Now, what is a global passing rate of double A? It is 44% globally from last few exam settings, and accountancy students passing rate is around 78% who have been taught by me. Okay, so overall, this paper is easy to study, easy to teach, but a little difficult to pass. And what's the reasons? Reasons I will tell you in a while. These are double A high achievers. It was typo error by a person. Otherwise, the scores of these are the high achievers of audit assurance from previous two exam sittings, just for your motivation. Now, well, how to fail in audit assurance? Why I'm telling this? Because I do think that most students actually interested in failing the exam, and that's why they do these things. They do not cover the whole syllabus of double A. They do not cover or do not revise the FR, F7 related concepts. They do ignore the exam techniques, which are essential to pass audit assurance, not practicing the past papers and not get it reviewed from the tutor using outdated lectures and materials. Some people or many students, to what get to get the content or the study material in low prices. They do buy the pirated lectures from others, and obviously those lectures are outdated. Those materials are outdated, and even it's not 100% complete. So that's the reason students do fail this exam as well. Not completing the whole exam in the examination, do missing the exam, rote learning without knowing the proper examination approach. Auditing the past papers, that means, reading the solution from the exam kits and not practicing at all. These are the reasons of failure in double A. So if you want to pass the paper, you have to cover the whole syllabus. You have to revise the financial reporting F7 related concepts. You should not ignore the exam techniques. You should learn the exam techniques. Uh, okay. You have to practice the past papers and get it reviewed from the tutor. You have to use the updated and authentic materials or the lectures, either from accountancy or whatever you want. Okay. But accountancy is the best. So, okay. You have to complete the whole exam, avoid rote learning, and do not audit the past papers and exam kits. You have to practice them. So, uh, now a bit about syllabus. Firstly, we will have why audit is needed, what is audit, what is assurance, engagement, its content, what is positive assurance, what is negative assurance, and other types of assurance engagements. Then we will learn external audit. What is external audit? Statutory audit. The roles of the auditor, duties of the auditor, responsibilities of the auditor, how to remove the auditor. Uh, so these are the things which we will done in our second area. Then corporate governance. What is corporate governance? Who are the people who involve in corporate governance? Who is the chairman? Who is the CEO? What is non-executive directors, executive directors? What is the perfect composition of the corporate governance board recommended by the corporate governance codes? What is audit committee, remuneration committee, nomination committee? Okay. And I will also tell you some of the corporate scandals happen in the history. Then we will learn about the professional audit. In professional audit, we will learn, how to appoint the auditors, what is the way of appointing the auditors, what is engagement letter, what is trending, etc. Then we will learn uh, code of ethics and conduct. So, what is ethics? What are the principle of ethics? What are the threats to objectivity of the auditors? What are the safeguards of the auditor? Uh, the fees and all the ethics related matter will be covered in it. Then we will learn about the audit documentation, what is audit documentation, types of audit documents, how to record the audit documentations, till when we have to retain them, audit planning and documentation, what is audit planning, the strategy and related to the documentation. Then I risk of risk, types of audit risk, the components of audit risk uh, will be covered in it. Then we will learn about the system of internal controls. What is control activities? What is control environment work? How to identify the deficiencies in internal control system? How to monitor them will be covered in this area. Then audit materiality. What is audit materiality? What is audit performance materiality? How to determine the materiality will be covered in these areas. Okay, test of control. So the audit planning, audit documentation, identifying, assessing the risk of material misstatement, all are very important areas. You will definitely get questions from it, either in section B or it might be possible you get some of the questions in section A as well of the exam. Then the test of controls, most scary topic for the AA students, but I will make sure to make it easy peasy for you, a piece of cake for you, and you will definitely get question from it as well. Then communication on internal control, one of the, again a very important area, and then internal audit. What is internal audit? Why it is how it is important in corporate governance? Uh, what is the scope of the internal audit, what is outsourcing, that the pros and cons of the internal audit will be covered. Then analytical procedures, which is also very important area. We will learn the ratios and the various methods of internal analytical procedures in it. Okay, then accounting estimates, which is related to the IAS 10 events after the reporting period. How to audit the events after the reporting period will be covered in it. Okay, then we will move to the next area, which is, the work of others. That is the work of internal audit or the audit experts. How to audit the work of others will be covered in it. Okay, then audit sampling. What is audit sampling? What is non-sampling risk? Types of sampling risk. How it could be covered in audit will be done in it. Then what is written representation? What is the usage of written representation? Where it is required will be covered in this area. Then automated tools and techniques related to the audit will be covered, which includes computerized audit and assurance techniques and all. Okay, then you see the areas from non-current asset to inventory to external confirmation receivables and sales, bank and cash, liabilities, provisions, contingencies. These are all are the areas which are related to the FR. Okay, we will revise these standards, and then we will learn how to apply them in audit procedures and audit evidences. Okay, so these areas will be covered in your audit risk areas, in audit procedures, and audit evidences, as you can see over here. Then we have some more areas left, which is small and businesses and not-for-profit organizations, audit finalizations. Okay. We will learn then audit report. Definitely, you will get a question from it either in section A or B. So, what is audit report? Types of audit reports? What are the types of the audit opinions, and vice versa will be covered in this area. And finally, we will have going concern. So, what is going concern? Assumption and how audit verify or audit the going concern, which has been taken by the management, will be covered in this area. So, as far as the double A exam format is concerned, we will get two sections in our double A exam. Number one, section A. It will have it will cover your 30 marks, and which will consist of three questions, three MTQ questions, in which you will have brief scenario, and every scenario will have five requirements of 2 marks each, a total 10 marks each for one question. Okay. It will contain filling the blanks, true or false, choose the best answer, matching the columns, whatever. Right. In section B, we will have three questions, one question for 30 mark and two questions of 20 marks each. In question number one, definitely you will get one question from audit risk, which will consist of 12 to 16 marks, and then other requirements from other areas of the syllabus. In question two, you will definitely get the question. In question two and three, you will definitely get a one question from test of controls, okay, or internal control systems, right? And other requirement will it definitely will always include audit procedures, audit evidences, and other areas, any other areas. Right. So that's the exam format. Now, what's the study plan? The study plan is simple and effective. That we will cover the lecture of every area of the syllabus. Okay. And after every topic, past paper practice, either it, of section A and section B will be covered. And then we will move to the other area. Okay. And recorded lectures will consist of past papers as well as, recorded lectures, as well as we will do a live Zoom class on it as well. Topic wise assignments will be provided to you, in which I will personally give you the feedback on each assignment, and then we will do the mock at the end of the session as well. So this is the orientation of double A, and I hope it is clear to you all. Uh, this is it. See you. Hope to see you on the when you are enrolled for the classes. Till then, take care. Bye bye.